Welcome to IMCEI. Today's topic is power. First, we need to find the largest power of 2 in 50 factorial. For that, we need to divide 50 by 2 and write down all the quotient. It may not be divisible by 2. For example, here 25 is not divisible by 2, but here we need to just write down the quotient, which is 12. After that, we need to add all these values and divide it by the power of 2, which is 1 here. So the maximum power of 2 to the power 1 is 47. Next, the next question is find the largest power of 10 or the number of 0 in 50 factorial. For that, we need to break 10 in prime factorization, which we are getting 2 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. Now here, first we are finding out number of 5s in 50 factorial. Dividing 50 by 5, getting 10 plus 2 and dividing it by the power of 5, which is 1. So number of 5 we are getting 12. Then we are finding out number of 2 in 50 factorial, which we are getting 97. The minimum will give us a result, so 12. So there are 12 zeros in 50 factorial. From this we can conclude if this is a single number, in case we need to find the largest power of the largest factor. So we don't need to find the largest power of 2. We just need to find the largest power of 5. The next question is find the largest power of 8 in 150 factorial. Here first I am breaking 8 in prime factorization, which I am getting 2 cube. So dividing in 150 by 2, getting the largest power of 2, which is coming 48, as I am dividing it by the power 3. So the final value of largest power of 8 is 48. Now the next question is find the largest power of 54 in 60 factorial. First we are breaking 54 in prime factorization. We are getting 3 cube and 2 to the power 1. As we have already decided, whenever it will be a single term all in the multiplication format, we just need to find the largest power of the largest factor, which is 3 cube. So we don't need to find out the largest power of 2 to the power 1. So number of 3 in 60 factorial is coming 28. Dividing it by the power, which is 3. So final answer is 9. So the largest power of 54 in 60 factorial is 9. The next question is find the number of zeros in this expression. In case we are finding out number of zeros, that means we need to find the number of tens. The expression is in the multiplication format, so we just need to find out number of 5 here, not the 2. So dividing 12 by 5, getting 2, the expression is coming 5 to the power 2 into 12 factorial. Dividing 17 by 5, getting 3, so final expression is 5 cube to the power 17 factorial. Dividing 40 by 5, getting 9, so the final expression is 5 to the power 9 into 40 factorial. As the base, all the base are same, so we just need to add the power. 2 into 12 factorial plus 3 into 17 factorial plus 9 into 40 factorial, which is the largest power of 10. The next question is to find the largest power of 10 in this expression. Now 10 means if I break 10, I am getting 5 into 2. But remember, if the expression is in the division format, we need to find both the factors. We need to consider both 5 and both 2. So first finding out largest power of 5 to the power 1, which I am getting 1 only. And then we are finding largest power of 2, here I am getting 0. So the final answer, number of 0 will be 0. Here the question is absolutely reverse. Here we need to find the factorial which is having 37 5s. As we are finding 5, so we need to consider 5 here. Then we need to subtract minus 1, which is fixed. I am getting 4. Then we need to multiply 4 and 37, getting 148. Then we need to find the nearest multiple of 5, which is 150 and 155. So just need to check the 2 factorial, 150 factorial, 155 factorial. I am getting 150 factorial has 37 0 and 155 factorial has 38 zeros. So how many such numbers are there? Starting from 150 factorial, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154. There are 5 such numbers which are having 37 5s. Same question, we need to find out the factorial which has 27 zeros. For that, we need to consider 5 here first, subtracting minus 1, getting 4. Then 4 into 29 will give us 116. So the nearest multiple of 4 are 120 and 125 factorial. Now if I break 120, I am getting 28 zeros. If I break 125, I am getting 31 fives. So I am not getting 21 5 or 29 zeros in either of this factorial. So my final answer is there is no such factorial which is having 29 zeros.